Hey guys, today's video is a DIY hair mask. You just need 3 ingredients: Jamaican black castor oil, honey, and banana. And yes, I'm using baby food banana because I want to avoid banana chunks in my hair, and of course a bowl and spoon. So I'm putting 2 jars of banana, 3 tablespoons of Jamaican black castor oil, and 4 spoons of honey. Then I'm mixing it all up. And the reasons why I use these 3 ingredients is because bananas improve manageability and shine. It prevents and controls dandruff. It moisturizes your scalp. It's rich in potassium, vitamins, and natural oils, and it softens your hair. Jamaican black castor oil, as you all know, promotes hair growth. It helps repair dry, damaged hair and minimize breakage. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it attracts and retains moisture in your hair. But anyway, of course I'm sectioning my hair off. Everything is done in sections. It makes life easier. And prior to this, I already shampooed my hair. And here we go. And I'm not going to lie, I immediately wasn't feeling it. I don't know what it is, but I was not happy. It was making my hair feel weird, but I already applied it to this section, so I'm just going to keep going. I did notice slight definition as I continued to work the product into my hair. And another thing, it wasn't providing much slip, but I really wasn't expecting much because my hair was a dry, matted mess before wash day even began. But I am trying to finger detangle as I go just to get it started. And I also go in with my tangle teaser just to see what it will do. now I've done the 2 front sections and I'm moving onto the back. And when I applied the mask to the back, all I can say is immediate definition. I was shocked because the front didn't react this way so fast. I'm trying to show you guys the definition. Hopefully you can see. But at this point, I was excited. Like, okay, mask, I see what you're trying to do. But once that was all done, I was done applying it to my hair. I did go in to detangle. First with a wide tooth comb, then with my tangle teaser. Detangling was a bit hard, but I don't fault the mask. As stated previously, my hair was a hot mess, so I already knew detangling was going to be a bit of a struggle. Maybe if my hair wasn't extremely tangled, then it may have been easier. And now for the good old Walmart grocery bag to let the mask sit for 30 minutes. Shouts out to Walmart for always being there when I need a bag for my hair or a small trash bag. So I let it sit for 30 minutes and I rinsed it out, and here is my hair. I really wish y'all could feel my hair. It is super soft, like extremely soft. And some of the definition is still there, and it's not dry. At first, I was a bit weary about it. I wasn't really feeling it, but I'm a believer. Will I do this mask again? Yes, I will. I actually already brought 2 more jars of baby food. But that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.